Imagine harvesting fresh basil. Imagine harvesting lettuce. Imagine harvesting strawberries from a shelf in your apartment. No soil, no backyard, just roots, water, and light. That's hydroponics, growing plants without soil, feeding their roots a perfectly balanced nutrient solution. Here's the simple version. Soil is a delivery system. In hydroponics, I skip the dirt and deliver water, nutrients, oxygen straight to the roots. Plants love the direct line, so they grow faster, use less water, and stay clean. Why does this matter for cities? 3 big reasons. First, space. Hydroponics goes vertical. Racks, shelves, window setups. You can turn a closet into a micro farm. Second, water. Closed loop systems recirculate, using up to 90% less water than soil. In a world of droughts, that's huge. Third, control. Indoors, I control light, nutrients, temperature, so pests drop, seasons don't matter, and harvests are predictable. That means fresher food, shorter supply chains, and way less waste. Alright, what are the main hydroponic systems? Number 1. Deep water culture, DWC. Picture roots dangling in an oxygenated nutrient bath with an air stone bubbling away. It's simple, cheap, and great for leafy greens. Downsides: if the air pump fails, roots can suffocate. Number 2. Nutrient film technique, NFT. A thin film of water runs through a slightly tilted channel, brushing past the roots. Efficient, low water use, easy to scale. But it needs clean lines and reliable flow. Clogs are not your friend. Number 3. Ebb and flow, also called flood and drain. Trays fill on a timer, then drain back to the reservoir. It's versatile and good for larger plants. Just keep an eye on timing and flood height. Number 4. Drip systems. Nutrient solution drips directly to each plant's base. Super precise, works with many crops, and great for big setups. You'll need decent emitters and filtration. Number 5. Aeroponics. Roots hang in air and get misted. Oxygen is off the charts. Growth can be insane, but it's advanced. Misters can clog, and power outages hurt fast. Low-tech bonus. Kratky. No pumps. No electricity. Plants sit above a still nutrient solution, and as water drops, an air gap forms for roots to breathe. It's the easiest entry for herbs and lettuce on a windowsill. What do you actually need to start? A container or channel, net pots, clay pebbles, rock wool, nutrients formulated for hydroponics, a pH meter, and a cheap LED grow light if you're indoors. Keep pH around 5.8 to 6.2 for most greens. Refresh nutrients every 1 to 2 weeks. And watch your leaves. They'll tell you if you're off. Here's the hook. Flavor. Fresh-cut hydroponic basil is a whole personality. Lettuce that never sees a truck tastes like it remembered what lettuce is supposed to be. So if you've got a wall, a window, or a free corner, you've got a farm waiting. Start tiny. 1 Kratky tote, or a small DWC bucket. Nail the basics, then scale up and stack vertical. If you want a quick starter checklist and my nutrient cheat sheet, hit the description and download it. Drop your city and your first crop in the comments. Let's turn empty space into dinner.